Now check this shit out. I just get done finishing mowing my grass, go inside to grab a drink, look outside, and this is what I come out to. Very nice, huh? No clue how the hell it happened. It's inside for all of about 2 minutes. Fire department's on the way, so just gonna stand here and watch it. Not really much I can do. You can't put water on a gas fire. Just gonna let it burn itself out until the fire department gets here. I'm fucked anyways. I need a new lawnmower now, so no point trying to save what I got. Gas tank's on fire. It's burning nice. Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's what I come outside to. Go ahead and step back some. As you can see, it's burning pretty good. There's a lovely gas can right over there. Hopefully that doesn't catch. I'm just gonna shut up and watch. Kick the camera back on when the fire department gets here. You can see it's burning good. Oh yeah. Fucking A, man. There's Winter Haven Fire Department putting out my lawnmower. Oh yeah.